Fucking hell.
Hey, you mate.
Nobody. Hold my hand. Smug twat. Right, come on, mate. No time to piss about. Mate, what do you want?
What, mate? What's this on the floor? What the fuck is this? Is this a buppet? I fucking love a buppet, mate. You want a buppet? Yeah. It's a Christmas present. I forgot to get you one this year.
I don't want a bloody buppet.
Fucking hit my road. Go on, hit my road. Get good. Come on, you fucking idiots. Go over there. Get on the side of that train. Go on the new. Come on. You fucking daft cunts. Go on. Fucking. Here, let me show you. Right, come on, you pansies. Whoa. Hurry up, you slowpoke. We need to meet my mate, Pete. Oh, sorry, mate.
Give us that fucking buppet.
Mate, what's the rush?
Ah, great. It's fucking pissing down my rain now.
Look. See you and that bloody buppet, man.
Slashing down, man.
Mate, what do you mean pissing down? Look, there's a fireworks display that's just for us as well. It's got the RAF.
It's not the fireworks he does, he's shite. It's the middle of the war.
What do you mean war?
Aberdeen against the Ouija's.
What's a Ouija?
A fucking glass Ouija. Get down! Fuck me. If it's a fucking fireworks display, it's shit.
Well, what, mate? Fireworks?
Get down, you dozy shite!
Mate, you keep jumping on top of me. Is that a bit gay?
Shut it.
No. Oh, my fucking either. Oh, Jesus, I feel like I've got a hangover. The fuck is that noise?
Ow!
Shit, mum.
Fuck! What?
Oh, fucking hell, where's my buppet? Oh,
Move, fucking move! Jesus, I'm glad I'm not there. Come on, let's go.
mate, what do you keep shoving me?
Shut your hole and move your ass, man. Look at this. We're in war.
Mate, I already know that. You told me we were in war with the Ouija's. You know, my mum was actually Glaswegian. You know?
Mate, nobody cares about your more. Right, come on, hurry up.
Mate, I can't get up there.
Mate, you want to stay there with your thumb up your ass? What the fucking state of this place, man. I just cleaned it up yesterday.
Mate, wasn't it, mate?
Shut up, you Ouija cunt.
Mate, get me off this thing.
Jesus Christ, mate. Calm it down, will you? Right, where the fuck is that toilet? I needed a shite. Who's that people's feet up there?
Mate, do we have to run?
Mate, we need to keep our 10,000 steps in.
Mate, what the fuck is that?
Excuse me. Great, who the fuck is this now? So we meet again, eh? Long time no see. Anyway, how's your missus? She's still a cow?
Say that again, I'll fucking punch you.
I'm going to take this knife. I'm going to slice the both of your balls off, alright? And your targer.
Mate, no more balls!
Hey, your balls. Oh, shit! The fuck?
Oh! Great, it's this fucking music again. Honestly, I've been hearing it all day. Shit, isn't it?
I know, can you tell me? Fucking come here!
Mate!
Fuck off! Eat shit!
Jesus Christ, I'm trying to do 3 things at once.
Come here!
Mate, here's the thing, yeah?
Come to daddy! Oh, shit!
Oh, you cunt!
I've got you bastard!
Mate. No, not this again. My neck, you cunt!
Stop looking through my pockets!
Mate, you're right. Oh!
Are you sure you won't fucking mess with me? I'll batter the shit out of you so your brains are like minced meat. Oh! Mate, this is my fucking jacket. This is my new leather jacket. You know how much it's costed me? Hey! Right, no more games.
Oh shit, you cheeky little shit. Get that
Fucking
gun.
come here.
Mate, get it.
Get a fucking gun.
Fucking get it.
Fuck you, man.
Oh, mate, fucking calm down, will you? Need to get it.
Fuck you.
Oh, how do I work this bloody thing?
Oh, shoot him, you fanny.
Right, you. Oh, you fucking twat, man. Why'd you shoot me? Oh, sorry, mate.
Fuck you. Right, that's it. Get the fuck off.
Oh, you fucking idiot again. Whoa, sorry for that, mate.
Quit fucking punching.
Don't worry, mate. I got borscht in my sights.
Mate, can you fuck off, mate?
Oh.
Right, mate, I'm gonna fucking bum you, alright?
I'm being bummed, help. Oh, right.
I've got you now, you lanky fuck. Take that. I got him.
Jesus, mate, are you alright?
You shot me in my testes. Aye, that's what you get, you Ouija cunt. Right, you bastard. Shooting me 3 times. Got a word with you. Do you know how to aim a fucking gun?
Mate, I'm sorry. I shot you 3 times, mate. Sorry. You still have that buppet?
Nah, mate, I ditched that ages ago, don't you know?
Mate, I feel a bit dead after that.
Well, At least you got your fireworks display now. Look. Fucking hell, it's that off music again.
Oi! Mate!
What do you want?
Ah, shit.